Alright, hey guys, it's Cardo. Now I'm going to be cleaning this wheel and tire. This is a commercial truck. It's been through months of neglect. They just flipped the wheel and the tire. So what was inside over there is now out here. And as you can tell, it's months. Actually, I think it's probably like a full year of neglect. It's like chocolate milk. This is supposed to be this color up here, white. That is not white. So I'm going to be tackling this. I really don't know what's going to happen because I've never had a vehicle this dirty, and I was only prepared with a couple of products. I do have some G-Technic iron remover and magic wheel cleaner, but I only have like 4 ounces left of those two, so I really don't know what's going to happen. But I wanted to share this with you guys to see my procedure and, well, what to do if you get something like this with very little product to work with. So I'm going to be treating this first with, ignore the label, it's not super clean in here. It's actually a PNS all-purpose cleaner, diluted 1 part product to 4 parts water. So 1 to 4, 4 to 1, however you say it. And yeah, I'm going to pre-treat this first before anything. So here we go. Let's see what happens. I really don't know what's going to happen here. Like, I really don't. This is so much brake dust and grime. This is grime. This is grime here. Not those chemical guy videos that they say everything's dirt, grime, debris. Everything's dirt, grime, debris. Everything's dirt, grime, debris to them. This is actual dirt. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. What? You can even see it melting. Holy hell. Wow. I did not expect it to actually... I better not step on this. Wow, this actually did come off. Alright, so it's... I'm guessing grease or traffic film, because this is really nasty stuff in here. And you can kind of see, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, where the indents right there, where the holes are at. You can see it kind of dissolving in those corners, because I'm guessing the grease is less... there's less buildup in those areas. I know I'm being overly generous on this, but honestly, when you get a car like this, a truck like this, you might want to be more generous than usual. Wow. Now, good thing I brought my, I haven't shown you guys this. I actually have a Krenzel M2000 Lance with the extension over it. Thank Christ I brought this, because I do not want to be pressure washing near that tire and the wheel. Sorry, it's a little hard to one hand this. All right, let's see if I could do this right. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look at all of that grease. It's just barely cutting through. No, that pre-treatment did work. I can see it with my eyes, but there's gonna be a lot of agitation here. Holy hell. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to try an iron remover and see what happens here. I think this is just grease. I don't think this is anything else, because it's just black goop going everywhere. Alrighty, so I did something real quick. I did a touchless iron remover on it, so I sprayed it all around the area and rinsed afterwards, and it's actually looking a whole lot better. But I'm just from observation, this is grease. This isn't iron. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of brake dust in here, considering it's like been a full year of non-stop working. But wow, it actually did do quite a punch right there. So I'm gonna have to do some physical agitation, probably with the magic wheel cleaner, only because it's a lot better with the foaming and it can help me agitate a little bit more. So yeah, I think I'll try that out, and then I'll use brake buster on the tires just to get them prepped. So let me get you a different camera angle here. Okay, so my phone is hanging on for dear life on my detailing cart. So hopefully this camera angle can show you guys what I'm about to do. I'm going to try this out with a touch wash on the tires first, and I'm gonna hit it with some PNS brake buster at 1:1. I'm gonna physically clean it with the tires, but let it just soak on the wheels and I'll follow up with an active wheel cleaner afterwards, just so I can get as much as the grease removed in a contactless manner. I want more cleaner action than physical contact, because I know this is going to destroy my brush that I have. And then I have a couple other trucks to work on. So yeah, let me try this out first. Oh. I know it looks like I over applied, but honestly at this point that's probably a good thing. You want more cleaner on that than just not doing anything. Hopefully the audio is picking up my voice. Oh my god, you can I can actually see everything coming off right now. I can see the grease just melting away. The 1-to-1 dilution is actually a pretty good dilution to use. And in case some of you guys are wondering, this is a fender brush. It's kind of soft compared to those stiff bristle brushes. I personally prefer this just because I can clean the tire while standing, and it can reach all the way to the bottom. But most importantly, because the chemical is doing the work, not me. I want to use more chemical cleaning than physical cleaning, and having a strong cleaner, especially on tires like these, is a benefit for me, so I don't have to be scrubbing it with the hard stiff brushes. So yeah, a fender brush is more than enough. It's the cleaner is doing the cleaning for you, not you. Remember, work smarter, not harder. And you can tell right away the foam is getting dark. I don't know if the camera can look all the way down there, but I can see the foam is just getting darker and darker, which is the good thing about cleaners with high foam capabilities. You can see the product doing the work. You know, on second thought, I'll just hit it with this. I want to see what happens. Let's see. Oh, it's actually coming off. Woo. But it's kind of, oh my goodness. Holy hell, I can actually feel it on my brush. This is some sticky grease. Holy hell. Sheesh, this is, God, I can feel my brush getting stuck. Or I'm sorry, it's getting grippy right now. Man, holy hell. This brush was white. It was white not too long ago. Holy hell. I think I just killed my brush. The fibers are really stuck on. Go. Wow, that almost did something. Not as much as I wanted it to. Let me just switch the camera. Oops. Let me just. There we go. This is a really nasty job. This is grease. I don't have a dedicated degreaser actually on hand right now. I only have brake buster and an iron remover. Damn. Wow, this is actually going to be a tough one. All right, we're going to bump it up a notch. I am not going to be using this because I'm actually running really low. I only have like 3 ounces left. I have like 2 or 3 bottles of this right now. So let's see. I know some of you guys are screaming, Cardo, that's not a degreaser. I understand your idea, but sometimes we got to try new stuff here. We got to see if it works or not. And because I've seen so many YouTubers showcasing their product that it's this and that, well, sometimes it would be nice to see if this would work on other areas that you didn't expect, because usually you see this marketed on high-end Ferraris and all that stuff and some weekend warriors, but who would have thought this on a truck? I don't know. It's just something to keep in mind. Wow, that is purple. You know, if that's the case, I probably shouldn't have this soaking in brake buster. Cardo, you just wasted some product. Okay. It's okay now, it's okay. I'll probably spray some of this on here just so I can prime it nicely. Cardo, you're using too much. My goodness, can I not do anything? All right, here we go. Let's see. This is a little hard to do with one hand because I usually use to... Oh, is it actually coming off? Is this actually working? Holy hell. Oh, this is actually working. Wow. Is this actually working? Hold on, I need to put this down. I need to show you guys what's going on here. You guys stay right there. Hold up. Whoa, this is actually coming off. Oh no, my brush, my poor brush. Let's see. Alright. Okay, I see what we're doing here. Wow, this is actually coming off. What? Magic wheel cleaner doing work? I don't recall seeing degreasing agents in the formula. Or maybe I probably didn't read it right. But wow. And I'm not trying to like overly praise the product, like, oh, he's trying to get sponsorship. No, I'm actually surprised. It's because you usually see those brands on high-end cars, but we don't see them in commercial trucks. So using this here, which is already out of its place, that's impressive. This is impressive here. Let's see here. It's probably tar. I don't have a tar remover, but wow, this. Oh God. So that way you can clean your brushes as you're going. You don't need a grit guard for this. Thank Christ I brought this extended long lance. There was no way in hell am I gonna get close to all this grind. Whoa, that is a huge difference right there. Yeah, it's not perfect. I know there's like some tar, some grease here that probably needs a little bit more work, but wow. Holy hell. And that was just me like doing it quick because I just wanted to see how it was gonna work. Wow. Yeah, I know I missed some spots. It's because I was doing this quick. Remember that. I was just doing this quick because I wanted to see what would happen. I don't know what was gonna happen. Wow. That is impressive. That is really, really impressive. And like acid-free rim cleaner, but I don't recall seeing degreasing agents in here. This goes after wheel cleaner. Just gonna read this a little bit more. See, like it doesn't say any. I mean, yeah, it says dirt, but that's kind of vague, just dirt. But this was grind. This was grease. Holy hell. I think I'm gonna have to do a full review on this thing. Wow, that was actually impressive. I'm not trying to be something like, oh my God, he's overly praising the product. No, really, I've never used this product on wheels this disgusting. Hold up. You want to know how dirty this wheel was? Here, come with me to see how the original one was. Yeah, I don't think so. Wow. And then if I go back to the original one, yeah, there's nothing to argue here. This is without a doubt a really effective wheel cleaner. Wow. Holy hell. Well, I'm going to continue working on this. I don't think I'm going to record it anymore because you guys are probably going to already know what the direction of this video is going to be. This is just a really quick, short video. I know I haven't been uploading that much recently. I'm just dealing with a lot of issues right now, and I have to fix them. Family is first. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is a little quick mini video. I think I'll start doing more videos like these in case I leave too many gaps in between the main videos. So yeah, guys, hopefully you probably have a new idea, I would say, in case you do get trucks like these. Yeah, check out Magic Wheel Cleaner. This one did work, but I'm running pretty low, and I'm not going to use this on here because this is kind of expensive to use. And yeah, so peace out.